Don't buy this stock until you watch this video. What we're looking for in any long-term investment is the price we're willing to pay, otherwise known as the stock's intrinsic value relative to its current stock price. This tells us whether it's expensive or a bargain solely based on where it's trading. An easy visual is a score from 1 to 5, with 5 being an absolute bargain. If you're more concerned about the business, I've looked at 5 key metrics that, at a glance, tells us about 90% of what we need to know on whether we're dealing with a good business or a poor one with little to no fundamentals. In that case, we're basing your optimism on hype or potential instead of what it is, which isn't necessarily bad. This tells us whether it's a failed business, an average business, or a 1 in a million business. An easy visual for this is a score from 0 to 10, with 10 being the absolute best. So now we can simply add up the scores of the intrinsic value and the business to get the overall long-term investment grade of the stock. An important takeaway from this is that every one of my analysis videos is that the mindset is to think of a stock falling as an investment that's getting cheaper to buy, assuming you're in it for the long term. Now, this is one of over 1,000 stocks I've analyzed. If you want to get a spreadsheet of all those grades, join my Patreon. You'll get access to everything. It's updated all the time. Go to patreon.com/GrowthShares or click on the link in the description. If you found this analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe. And as always, take care of your money.